Industry looks like, what, a 4-year round trip?
Yeah, 4-year round trip, which is certainly better than the other big deal that they're trying to unwind, GreenSky, which was just over a year. But again, this was the first big signature deal under the new management of David Solomon at Goldman Sachs. The deal to buy United Capital was a $750 million acquisition at the time when the bank decided that it needed to go beyond its servicing of the ultra-high net worth market. It was chasing the mass affluent market, somewhat similar to what it was doing with its consumer banking strategy, right? Never known to deal with the mass market, but even there it made that big digital bank push that we all know has sort of flamed out in spectacular fashion. But United Capital was in a similar fashion in its strong wealth management business, supposed to take it beyond the strengths that it already had, the dominance that it had in the ultra wealthy market, to go to a different corner of the market. Clearly doesn't seem to have worked out, and perhaps they're refocusing their attention to continue to do what they do best, which is service the richest of the rich.
It hasn't worked out, but had it given more time, would it have worked out? Have you talked to anyone who had said, you know, Goldman just needs to be a little more patient with this business of branching out to catering to the mass affluent?
Sure, but if ifs and buts for pots and pans, right? Consumer banking, it hasn't worked out. You gave them more time, maybe it could have worked out. They have a very aggressive return on equity target of mid-teens. They need to hit 15%. Last quarter, they were under 5%. Last few quarters, they haven't met that target. The next few quarters, they're unlikely to meet that target according to analysts. So right now they need to focus on the businesses where they know that they can execute really well, where they can drive profitability higher, and anything else is a distraction, and that's perhaps the conclusion that they reach with United Capital.